Or Well, here it is. This is the kit finally, um, put together. Boy, I think I underestimated the complexity of this thing. There are a couple of issues that I had here and there, mainly with paint. So I thought, well, I'm not gluing everything together, so I'll just be painting a lot of stuff. So I spent a lot of time on this paint. Finally, just ended up giving up, going back to the store, buying another kit. So because this paint, the other body is still sitting in a jar or in a bottle or a big jug. It's sitting in some simple green. So just stripping the paint. But I really just wanted to get this done. I like the way that the wheels turned out, the color match on the brakes, on the calipers. I love that. This kit overall was very easy to put together, very simple build. All my time was in paint. I had a couple of issues. Luckily, I did buy that second kit because this right here, this is a strange little setup. I anticipated this gap to be here for the turn signal, but the gap itself is longer than the turn signal, and it even shows that on the directions. It even shows it on the kit art. So I don't know. I just didn't look right. So as you can see, there's the and you can see this turn signal set back, and it just, I don't know, just doesn't look right, but it matches the actual art. So the first one that I put on actually went down because I kind of had it match some of this stuff in the front, and then came back a little bit to match this. And when it did, it actually sent that down. So I had to remove that decal and put on the other one from the other kit. As you can see, there it is. Great. So the kit itself wasn't too bad. It was 26 bucks over at Michael's. And I got it, my coupons, my 30% off coupons. I think, what would that be? Oh, $17, $18, something like that. So all in all, 36 bucks for two kits so that I could put this together. It really, if I was just going to put it together, snap it together, the thing would have gone on fine. It would have been fine. I might have still had an issue with this, but I might have just lived with it too. I don't know. The kit itself, what a blast. Where else can you get, this little cool Camaro? I'm loving this thing. I love the fact that it's just going to sit on my shelf. This is the second big model that I built over the last couple of months. This, not big, but this the second complete model that I've done. And it's been a few years since I've built a kit. So I'm pretty happy with the progress. I've discovered a few things in this process. I've discovered that I don't like, color sanding and polishing. When in fact, though, I finally did polish this, and I put a coat of Future on it, or Mop and Glow, or whatever the heck it is that I have here. And I did that over the decals, and I think it looks great. The kit, it's just going to live on my shelf, and really, it's just a nice diversion from the day to day, and I really enjoy it. So I'll have some photos at the end, and really, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me build this thing, paint this thing, my frustrations, my trials. The one thing that I will mention about the kit that I had an issue with was, you can see these panel lines right here. The panel lines are very soft. So I tried accenting them, and I used the panel line accent, and I tried it right over here, and it didn't flow. And so what it does is it just kind of went everywhere. So I tried kind of sanding that just a tiny bit, and guess what? That's why this thing has a third coat of paint on it. Third coat of paint. I didn't show you guys some of that, but man, and of course I didn't show the decal application, stuff like that. Quite honestly, I just wanted to wrap this build up. So here it is, all wrapped up. I think it's pretty sweet. That interior is really nice. Let me see if I can get some focus. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful interior. You've already seen me put it together. earlier. I just love it. It's gorgeous, and I happen to love these Camaros. So who knows what I'll do with the next body that I have sitting downstairs in the bucket of Simple Green. But I have a whole other kit, so I might do something to put this back together again, and I don't know, make another car. But I like the purple. Really enjoy that color. I thought, man, when I threw that on there, I've got a white, as you saw, I've got a white primer underneath it. Man, it just brings that color out. I love it. I love it. But, all right, well, that's about that. Hope you enjoyed the build video. We'll see you later.